In this creative video, I'm going to teach you how to create checkpoints for your Obby or Deathrun. So let's just get straight into this. We're going to be grabbing a couple of devices. Here we'll need a checkpoint device, a collectible device, collectible object device, HUD message device, tracker, and lastly we will need a trigger. Some of these are optional. For example, the coin, the HUD and the tracker are optional, but we're going to do this because it improves your level in general. So to start with, we're going to place down our checkpoint pad, and we're going to go open the settings, and we're going to disable activate VFX and visible in game to off as well. The reason we're going to do this is because we're going to show them where to go by using the collectible object. Inside of here, make sure that respawn is off on default, make sure it's visible. VFX can stay the same. Essentially, you just want to make sure consume if collected by self is on, so that means everyone gets to collect it themselves. We're going to add a trigger as well, and we're going to name this trigger level completed. So we want trigger level completed to happen when the collectible object is collected. If you're doing this without a collectible object, you can instead change that to the checkpoint device on first activation per player. But if you do it this way, then you're getting rid of replayability, because this can be respawned, whereas this can only be first activation per player one time. So next we're going to add in a tracker. Just call this, put it to status track on events. Target value is fine, choose whichever amount of levels you have. Sharing should be on individual. Show on HUD, we're going to have this enabled. We're going to call this levels completed. You can go into customizing this yourself a bit better, but as this will be fine, we'll just add like an A. But we're going to add it as well, increment progress from trigger level completed. This is the one we just set up. Lastly, put down the HUD message device, type in level completed, or whatever you want to type in here. We're going to write in level completed. Message recipient should be on just triggering player. You can change the message if you like. We'll move it down to 2 seconds, and we're going to show this when collectible object, we'll put this on show when trigger level completed. So whenever you walk on this will activate, and it will increment the tracker, and it will say level completed. Let's take a look at this now. Make sure to use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item store, and subscribe and like to the channel. But here you go, this will be the checkpoint. We walk over it, and apparently we didn't do it, which is always great. Let's take a look in this. Okay, didn't link it up. Collectible object, there we go. So now when we walk over this, it will increment the tracker and say levels completed. Customize it how you like. So this is how to do checkpoints in your Deathrun or Obby or escape room. Useful to you, go ahead to subscribe like I just said, and again use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item store.